Good morning! So today, pupunta kami ngayon sa Sambud and we'll be having our newborn photoshoot session sa aming client. Of course, sa aming client. So, samahan na kami! So, hi! I'm Shine Besa, the owner and the photographer of Me Obra. I've been a professional photographer for 12 years now. I started like last 2013 in my photography journey. Me Obra is on its 9th year now. And yun, I do fine arts. I glamour, family portraits, and most especially, I am a trained and certified newborn photographer. Yun nga, papunta na kami ngayon sa bahay ni Guys for our newborn session. So I started photography when I started my interest in photography when I borrowed the camera of my friend way back like mga 2000, ano ba? 2010, 2009. And then, doon ako nagkaroon ng interest of like shooting. Sabi ko, ay maganda pala. And then, suddenly, my husband observed or like nakita niya ako na ay interesado nga ako to use a camera, to shoot and all. When I born my firstborn son, nung pinanganak ko, yun na lang, nung pinanganak ko yung firstborn son ko na si Chio, and then, yun yung time na sinurprise ako ng husband ko. And he gave me entry-level camera ng Nikon. Naalala ko, it's Nikon 3100. So, yun. So, doon ako nagkaroon talaga ng interest in photography. Like, every moment of my son's galaw and all. So, lahat yun documented yung pinipicturean ko. So, nakita ko yung passion ko in photography. So, that's where I started being a photographer. Actually, nag-start talaga ako as newborn photographer when I started my studio last 2016. Hey guys, so we are here right now sa bahay ng aming client for a newborn session. So, come on, this is what we do when we first arrive in our client's house. So we like settle first all of our stuff, like our lights, our modifiers, ang mga props namin. So as you can see, one of my assistant Ding is like singing na the backdrop. And then ayos na rin namin yung first layout namin dito. So this will be a garden setup right now sa aming first layout. And we have here Daddy and our baby, Cecilia, and the Lola, and the Tita is here. Ayun, masyadong makalat yung mga gamit kasi nga, it's a home service session. So, yun. So, look here, we have lots of stuff to prepare. So, yeah. So, this is how I prepare my shoot, my newborn session. So before that, I'll make sure na ito yung mga wraps na gagamitin namin ng baby for today. So I have lots of wraps na dapat naka-sealed yan siya kasi ayaw namin na maalikabukan yung mga wraps namin. And at least organize that. Tapos madali mong makikita kung ano yung dapat mong gamitin. And then for the first layout, ito yung gagamitin ng baby namin na wrap, and I'll make sure na dapat meron akong fabric spray. This is a disinfectant and anti-odor para sa baby, para sanitize siya, wala siyang mga bacteria. And ito yung mga pillows na gagamitin namin for the support, para to make sure to ensure the safety of the baby. And then, what else? These are the ribbons, yung mga headdress na gagamitin ng babies namin ngayon para sa kanyang mga layouts. So, these are the equipments that I'll be using for my newborn shoot ngayong araw. So, I'll be using my X-T5, Fujifilm X-T5. And then, yung aking lens, I'll be using Fujinon 1655 2.8. ito yung aking go-to lens whenever I shoot newborn. So, gustong-gusto ko to kasi masyado siyang versatile siya sa mga needs ko, sa mga shots ko. It can be wide and portrait, nagagawa niya to. So, less ang tanggal, less ang pag-assemble, so less yung work. So, minsan naggumagamit din ako. I have also with me my 1.2 50mm Fujinon lens. And then, sa ilaw naman, I'll be using my continuous light and then with this big umbrella para sakop niya lang, para medyo ano lang yung ilaw ko. Subtle lang yung ilaw ko. I have also here my AD200 with this lantern for my headlight. Parang support light ko na lang dito siya sa likod. So yeah, and of course, if you're using your camera while shooting a newborn, dapat talaga meron tayong hand strap. Isa to sa mga kailangan natin na requirement when you are a photographer and you are shooting a baby. Kailangan may hand strap tayo to secure the safety also of our newborn. Kasi hindi natin maiiwasan na magkaroon tayo ng mga accident na accidentally mabitawan natin yung camera natin. So mas maganda yung may support. And pag wala naman tayong hand strap, please use your sling strap while shooting your newborn. So this is how we ensure the safety of our newborn during the shoot. Ayan. So we have here a basket. Dito natin nilalagay yung newborn natin. In a while, dito sa ating garden setup. Ayan, look. So nice. So, as you can see, this basket is not really secured for the baby. Kasi kahit baby yan sila, mabibigat din yan sila. So, you see, if you can put weights here, if this is your baby, pag nakaganyan yung baby, hindi masyadong secure yung basket. So, nag-move siya. For us to be able to secure this basket, para hindi mahuhulog yung baby, we put weights. So, ilalagay namin yan dito para hindi na siya matutumba, para balansa siya. And then, of course, kung wala namang weights, you can use a sandbag. May mga ibang newborn photographers, they are using sandbags. So, yun nilalagyan. Kino-customize nila yan. Parang ganito din ang size. And then, pinapatay nila. Then, they put sand on it para medyo soft. So, yun ang gagawin din namin next sa aming next newborn. Kasi nga, pinapatay pa din namin yung customized sandbag namin. But for now, kasi wala kaming ganun, ito muna yung ginagawa namin to secure, of course, the safety of the baby. And then, after that, para hindi naman masyadong matigas yung metal, we put clothes or blankets dito para hindi naman siya masyadong matigas, para malambot lang siya. Kasi of course, newborn po ang ating client, ang ating muse ngayong araw na ito. Then we put here a pillow or a resting pillow para sa newborn natin. And of course, we have this pillows also to support the back of the baby para maging comfortable siya and secure din yung baby. And then we'll put, mamaya na to siya, we'll just put a flocati para doon mag-fit sa ating theme. Yeah. And then, we are now ready to put the baby. Well, my favorite part of our newborn session, of course, the free meal.
Free food.
We have free arroz caldo prepared by our clients. But kidding aside, mamaya, sasabihin ko sa inyo ano yung mga favorite part ng ating newborn session, during my newborn session. What I love most about my shoot here in my newborn session is that this part, this family portrait part. Of course, maganda naman yung mga solo parts na baby shoot, but this is my favorite, the family part, because this is where I see the joy of the parents, no? The first hold, the first cuddle, and the first moment, no, together as a family, and their first portrait together as a family. So this is one of my favorite kasi nakikita ko talaga yung genuine joy, genuine happiness of the parents while looking at their little one, their little angel, So, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko because family is the important unit of our society, right? So, this is one of my favorite kasi this is where I can see the purest love, no, on this session. That's it. So, how do I prepare for each newborn session? So, ang ginagawa ko personally is like, I need to have a checklist before the shoot. So, after pala sa consultation with the parents and communicating with the parents what they want, what are their preferences for the shoot kasi may mga kanya-kanya din silang theme na gusto or layouts na gusto for their baby. So, after we like reconcile ano yung mga gagawin namin. So, this is after that, mag-prepare na ako ng checklist ko what to prepare for the shoot. And I need to list it down and then let it prepared by sa aking mga assistants para during the session, on the day of the session, wala kami makakalimutan. So, I need to prepare everything from the equipment, from the props, and of course, yung kung ano yung layout, yun din ang piniprepare namin from the backgrounds or yung mga gagamitin namin like flowers or the wraps that we use for our newborn session. Okay, so ano yung goal ng Niobra when it comes to newborn photography? The Niobra goal, yung goal ng Niobra, not lang sa aming newborn photography, but the whole photography journey of Niobra is tatlo yung heart na yan is nakahati sa tatlo. And the goals are to create, capture, and cherish. So, create a wonderful artistry during the shoot, to create a wonderful memories that the parents or my clients will treasure for the rest of their lives as part of their milestone. Of course, to capture a wonderful photographs that they will cherish also, to cherish it in their lifetime. So, yun yung goal ng Niobra. Gusto namin na we are not just taking pictures, but we are telling stories and creating stories that will capture every moment, every emotions, every wonderful moments with their child, wonderful moments with the parents, hugging, snuggling with their first newborn, and cherishing it, through the photographs that we produce, that they will cherish it for lifetime.